Hope my voice is reaching. Photoshop is a photo editing software where you can do photo manipulations, background changing of the photograph, and you can able to make photo mixing as well as photo restoration. Photo restoration is a topic where old photographs are there, where the sketches are there, dust are there, the dust scratch is to be removed. The higher version of Photoshop restoration is your film restoration, where the old movies are there, which is to be turned into new movies with colorized format. Before, black and white was there. Yes, black and white to color is also a part of the Photoshop, where you can make the old scratch photograph, damaged photograph to get it clear and colorize it, because even very best black and white photograph are there, still people want to see that in colorful and that to be in their own manner. Then yes, Photoshop is a tool which can able to help us to make the black and white to color. Next, coming to the commercial use of Photoshop, like once a person learn Photoshop, then where he can able to work. Yes, working into concern, starting from your television industry, film industry, photo industry, and a lot like ad agency, web industry, 3D industry, everywhere Photoshop is used. It is a global wide accepted software. The job is vast for this particular software. I mean, like, you do have a greater dimension where if you need to work work for your own entrepreneur, yes, you can able to start up your own. Starting from your visiting card also you can able to make. Though it is not a designing complete software, it is a photo editing software. Still you can make a lot of design inside it. Starting from book cover page designing, like let us go for like printing sector. Inside the print sector, we can able to find, they start with a small visiting card to a very big hoarding, like 10 feet, 20 feet. All these things is possible in Photoshop. Yes, the software is programmed for photo industry, but people started using in various industry. So hope we have understood a little bit about Photoshop. Then coming to the next software, it's your Illustrator. It is the same Adobe company product only, but it is a very good designing software. It does have a very flexible drawing tools. Like brush is a powerful tool of Illustrator, which makes amazing tracing. You can start up making line art, character design, even for like freehand calligraphy. So calligraphy is a very powerful tool for like making your own text for the film posters, or for like any branding, or for any product designs, names. Generally, like people wish to have their own style of a name, which they avoid to use the ready-made fonts available inside your computer. So at that point, this is an amazing software which makes wonderful output in the text. Yes, there is a gadget called tablet. Of various company it comes. Wacom is one of the company, which is a pen which is pressure sensitive, just like your pencil. Pencil is pressure sensitive. If you press a little more with your normal pencil, it makes more darker. Exactly the same way, computer does have a special pencil gadget, that is your pen tab. It comes with a various range price, but one of the best companies is your Wacom, which is a Japanese company. Yes, eyeball gives a lot of, but it is lightweight, user friendly. You can go for Wacom. I'm using Wacom since last, I can tell, like 10 years. Mostly like studio people are using that. Fine. So hope we got idea like how we can able to make the tracing job much more faster, and calligraphy with tablet and brush, and Illustrator is one of the tool. Starting to the next software is Adobe's only in design, which is a layouting software. Layouting in the like newspaper, books, magazines. Here we don't have smaller designs. We do have a very big wide angle designs are there. So wide angle in the sense like in the form of numbers, in the form of size. If you go for newspaper, it's a very big layout where a lot of text material are there, images are there, and all things to be get collaborated in a user-friendly way. And the big thing is that in the industry of newspaper, which is to be done with time, we don't have more time there, because the news comes at midnight and it has to be printed and it's to reach to the reader at early morning. So we can able to understand what is the time boundary over there. So as a designer, if you start off making it to be done in a designing software like Illustrator or Photoshop, it takes more time. Again, you need to save it up. It's getting into PDF, that takes time. So to get rid of this problem, they come up with a software that is InDesign. And yes, QuackExpress is also used in the market, but InDesign is a very powerful tool of Adobe which makes the layout much more easier and better. Coming to InDesign Computator, yes, PageMaker is there. Before, like Adobe have its own layouting software called PageMaker, but later on they didn't close PageMaker, but the updated version of PageMaker is your InDesign, which is the competitor of QuackExpress. So by the limitation of the like PageMaker, QuackExpress come up with a nice product. To compete, yes, Adobe come up with a very good product called InDesign. The best part of Adobe is always like the compatibility from one software to the next software to jump. Yes, it saves your time. You can make your photo editing in Photoshop and instantly you can jump to the InDesign to make the layout and get per print. So it saves your time. So hope we have understood the Adobe's pipeline. It starts with designing with Illustrator, make photo editing in Photoshop, then get it compiled all together in a bigger book form or in like page form or in InDesign. So if a students understand like how to work in both like the three of the software, then they can start off with his own entrepreneur at the village level also. It doesn't require like to get job anywhere. Just say visiting card, in wedding invitations, birthday invitations. These are like normal functions in every village or every city. It is happening up. So nowadays somebody has to make design, and that part private like designs, private functional designs could be asset for any designer. Yes, they can start up making the design at their home, and it makes them freedom, and simultaneously they can do the job also. While doing the job at home, we can able to make visiting card, brochure, leaflet, template. Business runs with the design. It's not a new thing I'm speaking. Everybody knows, you know also. And the design has to be done by some designer, and the tools to be get used. Yes, a point to note out: a lot of mobile apps comes. It makes the job much more faster. That's nice. But whenever the things to go for customize, mobile apps does have a limitation. Yes, every software does have a limitation.